will be reporting about the average atomic mass of 107 argon with a percentage of 51.86 and 100, the average mass of atomic mass of 109 argon 14%. So how do you get this? So by putting the percentage of 107 argon, which is 51.86%. And what we're going to do with this 51.86% is we're going to make it a decimal. So how do we do that? By dividing it by 100. And we're going to multiply it by its atomic number. I mean atomic mass, which is 107. And we're going to add it with the argon 109, which has a percentage of 48.40% divided by 100 plus the atomic mass, which is 51.86% divided by 100 is 0.5186 times 100. And 48.40% is 0.8.
Time. Multiply.
Now we're going to add 0.4 to 586 times 107. It's going to be 55.49 plus 52.47.6. And now the average atomic mass is 107.9628 atomic mass unit. Now for